Over the years, the Texas Chiropractic Association has partnered with the American Chiropractic Association to promote the Texas Chiropractic Health Month. This is a statewide observance that we do each year to help people in Texas understand more about their muscular health and how chiropractic care plays a big role for your overall health. It also promotes the quality care that's provided by over 7,000 chiropractic providers in the state of Texas. Leading up to the month of October, doctors of chiropractic have gone to their states and districts and asked for proclamations to help people from the public understand more about the benefits of chiropractic care and help to connect the dots of how that can help you and your family. Thank you to our members who have worked so diligently about getting the word out about this initiative. All the legislators, all the people working behind the scenes at the City Council, thank you so much for helping us get these proclamations set up. And mostly, thank you to our patients. They're wonderful people that come in every day to get their spine taken care of and understand truly the value of how chiropractic fits into our state of healthcare. To learn more about this initiative or other initiatives of the Texas Chiropractic Association, please visit our website at chirotexas.org.